Hi, I am Balaraman, Managing Partner and Chief Designer of Arcmen Interior Designer and Architects. Welcome to our Design Studio and Experience Centre tour. We have made wonderful spaces more than 27 years in Chennai and entire Tamil Nadu. When we created this studio design, mainly focus the sunlight passes through glasses of entire the studio and experience center, morning to end of evening. Once customer enters the studio, our designers and staffs can view anywhere to attend and discuss with them easily. We are Chennai based second generation business doing here right now. Arcmen has accelerated as a brand 2013, then grown into the independently owned interior designer, our architects and our execution team and our plans units. Our team leaders and interior design architects ensure every project is a fabulous and amazing. We provided here 7 different type of wall concepts. Three type of kitchen, basic model to luxurious with fitted German brand accessories and appliances. So client can come to experience a different type of shape and finishes.